Hi, I'm Tom D, and in this video I want to show you how the Debug.Explain kills Elasticsearch in the Elasticsearch version 8.11 and how it was fixed with the version 8.12. Let's start. I reported that bug on the github.com, and here you can see the steps to reproduce this issue. First you start Elasticsearch node, set up the password, load test data, and then you use that debug.explain method. And it caused these logs appear on Elasticsearch, which basically kill the Elasticsearch instance. Fatal error in thread, and then the Elasticsearch node is down. Let's start to reproduce that issue and then later on to see how it was fixed. To follow the steps, there is the file attached to this ticket that is text file and contain all the commands. So open that file and follow the commands. First step is to start Elasticsearch. So copy that command and execute it in a terminal. Now Elasticsearch is starting. And once it's started, you can open another window to reset the password. In another terminal window, place the password reset command that will set up example password of 123456. Password is successfully reset. So this is the load test data command. Place it in a terminal and execute it. Data is loaded. Now find a command to execute to start the script and use that debug.explain, which probably will kill that container. Let's see. I'm clearing up the space here and execute it. This is the place when it will fail, the debug explain. Okay, exactly. Elasticsearch exited unexpectedly with exit code 1. So this is current problem with the version 8.11. Let's figure out the newest version 8.12. Follow exactly the same steps, but change the version to 8.12 instead of 8.11. So the first command, now version 8.12, to download the image and start it. Yeah, I forgot to delete this. Old container, let's run it again. Okay, it started. Password is set up, let's load the data. Data is loaded. And now let's try to run exactly the same script. It should pass this time. Yeah, everything is working. No error, cluster is still up and running. The issue is fixed right now. So you can use this command and you will not have that issues that you had in the previous version of Elasticsearch. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to click on the subscribe button and you will not miss future videos. Have a nice coding.